Second, passengers transiting our network would be happy to have a place of the station premises for freshening up before moving on with their business for the day. We propose to commence hourly booking of retiring rooms instead of the existing minimum of 12 hours to fulfill this unmet need of passengers. Further, the retiring rooms will be handed over to IRCTC to ensure that these can be managed in a professional manner. We would like to mitigate the hardships that mothers undergo while traveling with their infants, and for this purpose we will pilot availability of children's menu items on trains. Further, baby foods, hot milk and hot water would be made available on stations, and changing boards for babies would be provided in train toilets. With a view to enhancing passenger comfort, we are planning to reimagine the design and layout of our coaches to ensure higher carrying capacity and provision of new amenities including automatic doors, barcode readers, bio-vacuum toilets, water level indicators, accessible dustbins, ergonomic seating, improved aesthetics, vending machines, entertainment screens, LED lit boards for advertising, PA system and more. These new smart, specially modified, aesthetic refreshing travel coaches would cater to emerging needs of our customers and also ensure lower unit cost of operations due to higher carrying capacity. Presently, we have different digital solutions for ticketing, grievance, redressal, and other issues. We intend to integrate all such facilities into two mobile apps, one dealing with all ticketing issues and the other for receipt and redressal of complaints and suggestions related to all our services. Bhartiya Rail is persistently innovating to ensure responsiveness to customer requirements in all our actions. Towards this end, we are making arrangements for skilling our front and staff and those we employ through our service providers. Further, the uniforms of all customers facing roles will be refurbished to clearly distinguish them on our network. We will install information boards in trains enumerating the on-board services and also GPS based digital displays inside coaches to provide real time information regarding upcoming halts. These services would be provided through private sector engagement. Work is underway on the installation of a high tech centralized network of 20,000 screens across 2,000 stations now as rail display network. This will enable real time flow of information to passengers and also unlock huge advertising potential. We intend to strengthen the organization at the stations with a view to ensuring better passenger amenities, vigilant and sensitive customer service, responses, grievance, redressal, and superior commercial sense.